Here we have the Craftsman 1.5 horsepower garage door opener. Gonna need to do a reprogramming of the remote control here. Items you will need: some matches, some acrylic gloss spray finish, the remote for the actual garage door opener, and something long to reach the button. Because there's a button right here you need to push in order to set the code. Called the code button. First, you want to push that button right there, like so, and see the indicator light come on. Next, what you want to do, get your remote, push the button once, push the button twice, push the button 3 times, and at this point you're going to want to get your remote after that. So over here, get your spray gloss finish. Alright. Put a good amount on here. There we go. Get your fireplace match. Like so. Let it just stay there for a minute. And let's see if it works. Alright, push our button here. As you can see, there it goes. Yeah, it's that problem. Thank you very much for watching. Leave your comments below.